Hey, Plant Pals, Mike the Kitty Gardener, and this is a quick look at the. What the? Oh no! Okay, this. Alright, insanity has ensued. These were the seeds from the squash that I had left on my experimental shelf that I kind of like forgot about. And I was gonna go do a whole video on me showing how the good seeds go to the bottom and the bad seeds float to the top, and how the ones that are on the top aren't viable. But what do we? What is this? And I can see. Oh dear, googly moogly. Okay, be right back. Okay, this was the butter cup squash that I got from the store. Now these were, I didn't know if they were viable or not because I didn't see any sink to the bottom. Okay, I've got little babies here, so I'm gonna have to do something with them. I gotta make sure there's no aphids or anything on them because I had nothing green growing because I wanted to make sure I didn't have any living aphids. But okay, well, apparently the first things I'm growing now that I'm pretty sure the aphids are all gone, I think the first thing I'm gonna be growing is a squash inside. Cool. I will guess I don't even know if I want to try to bother saving these seeds. Ah, it's so weird. All right, well, there you have it. Nature will find a way. Hey, look at this guy. He's had no food. There's nothing in here. That's hilarious. Okay. Grew up through his own stuff here. The pulpy stuff that normally what happens is the good seeds sink to the bottom, the bad seeds stay on top, and along with the goop that you scoop out, it breaks down. But apparently, it broke down into the super juice and fed this seedling. Oh, that is hilarious. It's very strong too, and it's got that really strong green herbal smell to it. All right, I guess I know what I'm doing right now. I'm going to be finding something to plant this thing in. Crazy. All right, be right back. I'm gonna check the other seeds now. All right, so this is the butternut squash that I got from the store. Keep this one with this one so I don't mix them up. Let's see what happened right here. I don't see anything sprouting, just the goop on top and then seeds in the bottom. So I'm going to scoop this top stuff off and rinse them out, and we'll see what we have. I will be back. Alright, well, none of these sprouted. Hopefully they're viable seeds. I'm going to dry them out, and then we'll see. So that's pretty cool. Again, these weirdos decided to sprout within their own watery confines here. We'll pull these out. I'll give it a stir and see if any sink down, and whatever sinks down I will save. So we'll be right back and we'll see. Alright, well, I give everything a big stir, and these all sunk to the bottom, the rest stayed at the top. So the lesson I learned is I should stir this every every day or so. That's the butter cup squash. And there are buttercup squash seedlings, which I will plant. Wasn't ready to plant them. I haven't completely cleaned out my systems yet. I'm waiting on a reset. Yeah. But, sometimes you just gotta let the universe guide you, I guess. So we shall see what happens with these. Yeah. All right. Hilarious. All right, I'm going to get a moist paper towel and put over the top of these while I clean out my system and figure out what I'm going to do. All right. That was pretty funny. Tells you, you got to be more on the game and less chaotic. All right. Any comments, questions, leave in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe. Have an awesome day.